If you're not already exercising, you're not doing yourself a favor. You can't live a healthy and energetic life, but you're just rotting on the couch simultaneously. That's not working. And in fact, I want you to get pissed. Get pissed about yourself. Why are you waiting for the storm of opportunities? Oh, then next year, new year, that's the perfect storm of opportunity when I will start working out. It's not working like that. I want you to get angry. Get angry about yourself. Say enough is enough. I don't want to live like that anymore. I've been a slave of my lower needs. I want salt, sugar, fat, and don't want to move. But now it's enough. You know negative emotions, anger for example? This is just a hint, a clear hint for desire. I want something different. As it is now, I don't want it like that anymore. I want to change. I have a desire to change. That's great. That's great. And there's energy in the room. Use that energy. You need that. Because exercising is really one of the few things you have 100% responsibility over. There's no excuse, really. Yes, maybe your knee hurts. Just do some push-ups. That's fine. But you don't have any excuse and don't use that. And in the beginning, I know it's hard. That's why you're watching this video, how to get started. But use this anger, use this willpower. In the beginning, you need that to build this habit. In the morning, use this anger and say, yes, I want to change. It's not a negative thing necessarily, being angry. Use that anger. Do sports in the morning. What will you probably do in the afternoon? I think you're not going to go to McDonald's if you started that great already. And also don't do this micro researching. Oh, what is the best bench press exercise? How should I go for a run? Nobody cares for now. 90%, 80% of the results is really just about going out there and do something. You can still do your research. It takes half an hour to get the most important information about sports. Call your friend. Do sports with him together. Ask him some questions. That's not an excuse. In fact, I want you to shut down your laptop. I want you to turn off your phone or turn up some music and do something now. Don't watch any more YouTube videos, not even straight mind videos. Just go for a walk for an hour. Go for an easy run. Do some push-ups, do some sit-ups. But get started and feel your anger. Feel your disappointment about yourself. I didn't do anything. And I know that I could have done something. But I'm really just a slave of my lower needs. Wow. I think I'm free. But I'm not really free because you're just really a slave. I'm not saying that it's always bad to relax. No, that's great. But apparently there was no balance. You know, life is always about balance. And the last weeks, maybe years, you had no balance. You were relaxing too much and not exercising enough. So I want you to get rolling now. Just start do something. Close YouTube. Close it. And just start do something. And I wish you a great journey of exercising.